What we have here is just some pure silver bars, and starting at 1 ounce, moving up to the 1,000 ouncer. So right now, 1 ounce is about 20 bucks based on the price of silver. So 20 bucks, $200, $2,000, $20,000. And this thing is heavy. This thing is like almost 70 pounds. So we thought it would be a good idea to drop it on stuff. So we got a whole bunch of stuff in the back. We're gonna drop it on. We got a slow motion camera, and it's gonna be a fun day. Look, I got squirt. I figure this will squirt the furthest.
Oh yeah.
So that'll go. Some ranch. I tried to find the biggest can I can find. Some hominy.
What is that?
Hominy, bro.
A hominy?
For Mexican food. Cinnamon rolls and biscuits. These things should explode pretty good. Can of baked beans. Toothpaste. Pretty cool. This is kind of like your cup tower. So we just stack these up like as high as they can go. Papaya. Full of watermelons. Honeydew. It's a honeydew. Pineapple. Coconuts. Oranges. I think this is a grapefruit. It's a Kiwano melon. We got Mr. Jack. Mr. Jackfruit right here. Alright, so this is the silver bar that we're going to use. This thing weighs almost 1,000 ounces, worth about 20,000 bucks. So it's heavy. It weighs like almost 70 pounds. So I'm going to show you what it says on here. This is minted from the Asahi Mint, Canada. Okay, and it was minted in 2020, and it weighs exactly 988 troy ounces, 988.40 troy ounces. And then here you see it says it's 999, so it's 3 nines, fine pure silver. So this is the bar we're going to use. It's about the size of like a loaf of bread, but yeah, this thing's pretty heavy. You don't want this falling on you. Okay, so here we go. It's gonna be fun. What do you think about that?
It's not that broken. You can still use it.
Oh,
But
ice cream cones.
what if you accidentally hit a camera? What if you have a film
It's
that?
getting heavier as the day goes on. Okay,
Why is it getting heavier?
Okay, whenever you're ready.
sweet. All right. Let me make a couple adjustments here. Okay, you ready? You guys want to count down?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you missed it!
Okay, I'm gonna plug my ears. Hey.
Oh yeah.
That was good, dude. Oh, that was so good. ball.
Oranges?
You want to do fruit first or glass first?
Do all glass.
I think we do glass first because the glass we can sweep up.
So I need you to go pick up those snow globes. Can you do that? They're in Laguna Niguel. I'll text you the address. It's on the way. Yeah. Snow globe. It still works. Okay, here we go. Make sure to always wear your safety glasses when getting smashed with glass.
2, 1. Whoa!
Is everybody okay?
Wow.
Oh my gosh!
That's a lot of glass.
Wow.
How'd you like that one?
Dude, that was scary.
I'm the one holding the camera.
Look at that. Oh, dude, the eyes are left. Like, see? That's why, because he wore the safety goggles.
Oh,
So
yeah.
his eyes are safe.
Eyes are totally protected.
Yeah.
You want to be in the video?
Like a bunk bed.
Coconut. Look at that. You took the meat right out of the coconut.
Unless we have an extra one. Dad, do you
I would
get
eat it, but this might be covered in glass. Time to make a fruit salad. So Dan, you were complaining about your buffalo wings not having any sauce. Here are your buffalo wings, okay? And there's your sauce. And there's your sauce. Okay, we're gonna see if we can get some of that ranch on there for you.
Hey,
But you gotta eat some. Oh! Yay!
Dude,
Covered in sauce.
you just squirted. Look at my pants.
Oh my god!
It's all over my shoes. Oh, that was a bad idea.
That is not cool.
That was a bad idea.
Hold on. Jason, is your camera? That brand new camera is fucked. It's waterproof.
Hey,
They got one little drop on it. Wow.
hey, we got ranch on the wings.
Eat one now.
Any glass? I think that's a good one, Dan. That's for you right there.
Okay.
Here you go.
Here, hold the camera.
I got this one.
Do you guys have like an Instagram or something I can say?
Pretty sure we do.
The biscuit one or whatever?
You happy now?
Much better.
Okay, good. It's everywhere.
Oh man.
It's my dream. This bar is holding up pretty well. I mean, just a couple of dents and scratches, but other than that, I can sell this still. It's good as new. Baked beans, baby. Oh my gosh. I just took a bath in hominy, bro.
That's higher than beans.
Oh, it just kept coming, dude.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
Oh my god. It's a lot of work. Okay, here we go. Squirt bottle.
Oh!
Oh, dude. Guess we better have some pretty good aim. It's tough from way up there.
Lifting that 70-pound silver bar.
Dude, I'm so tired. Like I'm just like soaking, just like dripping wet. It's a hot day. Like it's been cool like all the time. It's like the hottest day of the week.
You want to do some more?
Yes, do two more.
Okay.
Minty.
Brush your teeth with it.
Oh.
What you
Okay,
got
so
there?
we got the jackfruit, and it actually gives you instructions how to cut a jackfruit with a silver bar, 1,000-ounce silver bar. That's what it says. Ready? Okay. Jackfruit. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Look at that, dude. It held
first
up.
one. What?
Jackfruit versus silver bar.
Jackfruit wins.
Look at that.
Wow. Ah.
Damn, dude.
That jackfruit's tough.
That's a tough one. But I heard it tastes good.
Oh,
Wow, that one flew.
That was a good one.
It only got me on one spot. Oh, come on.
All right, water balloon.
Dude, this computer is soaking wet. Shit.
Look at how wet I
Hold
am.
on, let me get a towel.
maybe that wasn't such a good idea.
Well, that was a lot of fun. This thing was a beast. This 1,000-ounce silver bar. It pretty much destroyed everything except for this jackfruit. But it was a lot of fun. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. And until next time, stay golden. Yeah, so we are weighing this thing after we've done all of those amazing drops outside in slow-mo. And it comes out to be 30.8 kilograms, which is pretty close to what it says. It's supposed to be 988. It's pretty close, 993 ounces. So that thing didn't lose any weight at all. If you want your own 1,000-ounce silver bar, you know how to get a hold of us, Crown Gold Exchange.